Just a bird up on a wire who never dared to fly away. I never thought she'd be the one to go to waste in this town of a cage. 'Cause she always had the grace, and she always had the brains. She had a smile that could chase rain away. And I'd always be the one to say, someday that bird's gonna fly away. Someday came, the birds were heading south. You there in the nest, don't you wanna come down and be just like everybody else? She said, I got other plans, but they all laughed. So she put them off to follow in the clouds. But did you feel that warm sun shining? Did you hear that blue sky calling? Did you let it pass you by? Hey, up there, can you hear me talking? I'll bet you probably hear it all the time. Just another bird on a wire. Saw her just the other day. Ain't it funny, ain't it strange? Ain't it sad how some people change? Must have broke her wing somewhere along the way. Or maybe she was too afraid. 'Cause like the hummingbird, she only hum along to the words of the other songs. And the sad part was she knew that she could sing all along, but she never tried to be heard. And so a bitter end, her tale never began. No happy ending. She doesn't win, that golden bird lost all she was worth. Never found what she might have been. Did you feel that warm sun shining? Did you hear that blue sky calling? Did you let it pass you by? Hey, up there, can you hear me talking? I'll bet you probably hear it all the time. Just another bird on a wire. Did you hear that warm sun shining? Did you hear that blue sky calling? Did you let it pass you by? Hey, up there, can you hear me talking? I'll bet you probably hear it all the time. Just another bird on a wire.